Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I would be sharing with you in this tutorial a very quick and easy golden shimmery eye makeup look. There's no cut crease in this eye makeup look. This is a beginner friendly tutorial. If you're searching for a golden smoky eye makeup look, then please keep on watching. I'll share with you step by step how to get this eye look. In few steps you'll be able to achieve it. As my makeup palette, I'm using a very small palette from Mars and I'm picking this eyeshadow from palette brown tone. I'm packing this eyeshadow using a flat fluffy brush on my crease. Move the brush back and forth after you pat to deposit the eyeshadow, pat to disperse the eyeshadow, move the brush back and forth, and for smokiness move the brush in circular motion. Hold the brush very lightly. Next I'm using this eyeshadow to intensify my outer V. Sharpen your outer V edge. Turn the brush. Mix it well with the crease eyeshadow. Take it towards the crease, don't go too much inside. Next, to intensify my outer V, I would be using black eyeshadow. I am picking black eyeshadow. Black eyeshadows are very pigmented. Build eyeshadow slowly. Pat a little, begin moving the brush in circular motion to intensify it further. Again pat black eyeshadow and move the brush in circular motion for it to blend with the outer V eyeshadow. Move the brush in circular motion. Keep it moving. Next I would be using this golden eyeshadow. This is a very beautiful golden eyeshadow. Link to this palette is in the description box below along with the other products. This palette is from Nika K. Oh Honey palette. Do not cross your crease line. Keep it within the crease. To blend this golden eyeshadow, I am using this eyeshadow. I am applying on my mid. Blend it with the outer V eyeshadow using this eyeshadow. Pull it towards the outer V. Next I would be creating winged eyeliner. I am outlining my wing. After I am done outlining, I would be filling it. After creating winged eyeliner, I would be creating pointed inner corner next. Pointed inner corner shapes your eye. Be very careful when you're creating pointed inner corner. It takes practice multiple times and you'll be able to achieve it. After I'm done creating pointed inner corner, next step would be applying kajal. I'm using Nykaa Black Magic Kajal for my waterline. Smudge the kajal. I'm using the second eyeshadow, that which I packed on outer V. To smudge the kajal, the traces of the eyeshadow should be visible and the kajal also should seem smudged. I'm coating mascara on my eyelashes now. Intensify your eyelashes well coating mascara. Lastly, I would be using this foil from Swiss Beauty to highlight my brow bone. Very pigmented, take very less in the brush and highlight your brow bone, and it's done. This is the final look. If you like this eye makeup look, if you found this tutorial helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Take care and bye.